So now let's see how we can work around with components color options inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with components color option, you need to go around onto the colors menu and then go to components right here. And there are different color adjustment options, as you can see right here. Like for example, there's channel mixer, which allows you to go around and change out a red, green and blue. So there's red right here. You can go around and remove the red right here, or add in more green right here in the red channel, as you can see right here. And you can also add in more blue to the red channel that you have right here to get the look you want. So over here in green channel as well, you can do the same. So you can go around, add in more blue or remove more blue in the green channel, and do the same right here with the red channel right here, and add more blue and so forth. You can also preserve the luminosity right here, just like this, to preserve the brightness, or you can work around with this. Work around with the opacity, preview and split view right here, as you can see right here. Press OK to apply it out. Similarly, you can go around and see that there are other component colors that you can actually work around with. Like you can extract out the component red, component green right here, blue. You can extract out the hue, as you can see right here, invert out the component and so forth right here as well. So you can export out the cyan color only, the magenta color right here, yellow color and so forth. So let's just go around and extract green right here, and this is what I have. So let's just go around over here onto components, and you can also work around with the mono mixer so that you can work around with the red, green channel and blue channel right here to work around with the black and white, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and work around with the components color option inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.